Here's how to activate the Send Now Pay Later option in your Botim app. 1. Open the Botim app. Make sure your account is verified with your ID. 2. On your dashboard, tap More, then Send Now Pay Later. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon to add it. 3. Tap Activate SNPL. 4. Select your monthly income range. Even if it's below AED 1000, you can apply. 5. Add two reference contacts. Enter their names, phone numbers, and your relationship with them. Then tap Confirm. 6. Verify your email and mobile number. Enter the OTP sent to you. 7. Wait a few seconds while voting checks your loan eligibility. 8. Once approved, you'll see your credit limit. For example, AED 2700. 9. Tap Use It. Now select your repayment card, then tap Use Now and complete your international transfer.